Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about creating a serene work environment, especially for those who love to dive into DIY projects or professional trades. Noise is often a big hurdle when working in shared spaces or quiet homes. You don't want to disturb anyone while getting the job done. So we've curated a list of the 7 best low-noise power tools that allow you to work comfortably and quietly. From rotary tools to sanders, we've got you covered with equipment that blends functionality with silence. Let's get started. Number 1. Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool. First on our list is the Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool. This versatile tool is perfect for a range of jobs, from carving to polishing, and most importantly, it does so with minimal noise. Boasting a lightweight design, it allows for easy maneuverability without sacrificing power or efficiency. The 20V motor provides sufficient torque, enabling you to work effectively on various materials. Importantly, its low decibel operation makes it ideal for use in quieter environments, ensuring that you can focus on your projects without disturbing those around you. The tool also features a user-friendly tool-free chuck system that allows for quick bit changes, enhancing your productivity. Long battery life means less downtime, giving you more hours to create your masterpiece. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort even during extended use, while its various attachments mean that versatility is at your fingertips. If you're looking for a rotary tool that prioritizes both performance and peace, the Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool deserves your consideration.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. LUGX Nail Dust Collector. Next up, we have the LUGX Nail Dust Collector. While many power tools produce noise, this device stands out by addressing another concern: dust. This vacuum-like product operates quietly while effectively capturing dust particles generated by nail surfaces. The design is sleek and portable, making it easy to set up in your workspace or carry to a client's home. It features powerful suction technology that ensures a clean working environment, vital for both your health and aesthetics. The Whisper Quiet motor allows for uninterrupted work, meaning your conversations can flow freely without the disruptive roar of traditional dust collectors. Its filtration system is user-friendly, capturing fine dust while keeping maintenance simple. The transparent collection bin lets you see when it's time to empty, ensuring efficient use. For professionals working in nail salons or hobbyists embracing nail art, this tool is a game-changer. The LUGX Nail Dust Collector stands out as a silent yet powerful ally, helping to keep both your workspace and air quality enjoyable. Number 3. Metabo Eioehtl Oscillating Multi-Tool. Now, we move on to the Metabo Eioehtl Oscillating Multi-Tool, a powerhouse for those who value versatility without the unwanted noise. This tool combines a robust design with a silent operation, allowing you to cut, sand, and scrape with ease. Its 3.0 amp motor is capable of handling tough materials while remaining impressively quiet, allowing you to work without the constant din associated with conventional oscillating tools. The oscillating angle of 3.2 degrees ensures efficient cutting and sanding, making it a reliable choice for detailed tasks. The tool incorporates a slide switch for easy operation, while its lightweight build means you won't tire easily during extended use. The wide variety of attachments, which are easily interchangeable, further enhances its usability across different projects. Whether you're tackling drywall or woodworking tasks, this tool ensures superior performance without sacrificing the peaceful atmosphere you seek. With a durable construction aimed at longevity, the Metabo Eioehtl Oscillating Multi-Tool is an essential for any low-noise workspace. Number 4. AirCat Pneumatic Tools Impact Wrench. The fourth product in our lineup is the AirCat Pneumatic Tools Impact Wrench. Renowned for its quiet operation, this impact wrench is specifically designed to minimize noise without compromising power. This is particularly important in environments where excessive sound is unwelcome. The patented design of the muffler in the AirCat tool significantly reduces noise levels while maintaining the performance you need for heavy-duty tasks. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it features a lightweight body that cuts down on hand fatigue, enabling prolonged use without discomfort. With 1,300 feet-lobes of torque and a working pressure of 90 psi, this wrench provides exceptional power while operating quietly. The comfortable grip makes this tool easy to handle even in tight spaces. Its durable construction promises resilience against wear and tear, meaning it's built to last. Overall, the AirCat Pneumatic Tool's Impact Wrench is a solid choice for professionals or DIY enthusiasts looking for heavy-duty capability wrapped in a low-noise package. Number 5. California Air Compressor. Coming in at number 5, we have the California Air Compressor. This unit is an outstanding alternative for those who need air power without the intrusive noise that typically comes with compressors. The California Air Compressor operates at a super quiet 60 decibels, making it one of the quietest options available on the market and perfect for small workspaces like garages or workshops. Its compact design adds to its versatility, making it easy to store or transport. Engineered with a robust 1-horsepower motor, it effortlessly powers a variety of air tools, from nail guns to pneumatic sanders. The oil-free pump technology means it's low maintenance and keeps your workspace clean. Additionally, with a 3-gallon tank, you will have plenty of air stored for completing your tasks without constant refills. The built-in safety features provide peace of mind, and the durability of its construction ensures a lasting investment. If a quiet yet powerful air compressor is what you need, the California Air Compressor will surely meet your expectations. Number 6. Eioehtl Reciprocating Saw. Moving on to the 6th product. The Eioehtl Reciprocating Saw is a fantastic tool for those who require precise cutting without the usual commotion. This saw boasts a compact and lightweight design, which makes it easily maneuverable in tight spaces. What sets it apart is its low-noise operation, allowing you to work without creating distracting sounds. Equipped with a 20V battery system, this saw delivers an impressive cutting speed while maintaining a whisper-quiet performance. The tool-free blade change feature is incredibly convenient, enabling swift changes depending on the material you are cutting, whether wood, metal, or plastic. Built with a sturdy frame, it offers excellent durability for long-term use. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during operation, reducing fatigue over extensive projects. This reciprocating saw doesn't just cut down materials, it cuts down on noise, making it perfect for residential areas or any environment where peace is a priority. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and quiet reciprocating saw, look no further than the Eioehtl Reciprocating Saw. Number 7. Astro 325 Finishing Palm Sander. Finally, we conclude our list with the Astro 325 Finishing Palm Sander, designed for those seeking smooth finishes without annoying noise levels. This palm sander is lightweight and ergonomically designed, allowing for comfortable operation over extended periods. The low vibration feature contributes to quieter sanding, minimizing sound and discomfort. Equipped with a powerful yet quiet pneumatic motor, the Astro 325 ensures you can achieve professional results without disturbing others. Its unique design allows for easy maneuverability, perfect for achieving flawless finishes on various surfaces. The dust collection system also means keeping your workspace tidy, as it captures debris while you work. With a 1/4-inch air inlet, this tool is compatible with most air hoses, and the durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of professional use. If you value a smooth and quiet finish, the Astro 325 Finishing Palm Sander is a must-have addition to your toolkit. As you can see, achieving a productive workspace doesn't have to come at the cost of disturbing those around you. Each of these tools excels in performance while ensuring that noise levels remain low, allowing you to work in peace. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, these options are sure to enhance your projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product reviews like this one. Your quiet workspace is just a tool away. Thank you for watching.